Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from Huntington Bank to another bank. Open your web browser and type in huntington.com in the address bar. Look for the login option on the Huntington website. Enter your login credentials, such as your username and password, to access your account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Transfers tab or option. This will take you to the page where you can initiate transfers between your Huntington accounts. Under the Between Huntington Accounts section, find and click on the Transfer Funds option. This will allow you to specify the accounts you want to transfer money from and to. Select the account you want to transfer funds from in the Transfer From drop-down menu. Then choose the account you want to transfer funds to from the Transfer To drop-down menu. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. If you're doing this online, you may also have the option to choose the frequency of the transfer, such as a one-time transfer or a recurring transfer. Choose the transfer date for your transaction. This is the date on which the funds will be transferred from one account to another. If you're doing this online, click on the Preview Transfer button to review the details of your transfer. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good, click on the Submit Transfer button to initiate the transfer. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.